what's up investors, it's the Russian dude. Today let's talk about one of the methods, how the Wall Street exactly manipulates the US stock market. And this method is very obvious, it's right there, they don't even try to hide it. It is basically when the financial analysts, the Wall Street analysts, experts, they start to lower their expectations right before the upcoming earnings season. So it is much easier for companies to beat the expectations, everyone is happy, everyone continues to invest, the share prices go up, the Wall Street is profitable. The very obvious, very first graph, as you can see right now on your screen, shows exactly that. Whenever the third earnings season starts to approach us, you already can see that Wall Street analysts started to reduce their expectations, saying that, well, yeah, we said in the very beginning, right after the second quarter was released, we said that we expect the growth by, I don't know, 10%. But now, months passed, the geopolitics changed, the financial conditions changed, the Fed pivot happened. Well, now we expect the growth somewhere to be around 2%. And obviously they make such low estimations that, once again, it is much easier for companies to beat them. And it is not just for the upcoming third quarter of this year. As you can see from this next graph, they also started preemptively reducing their expectations for the upcoming reports. For example, the last quarter of 2024, the first quarter of 25, and so on. They are kind of saying that it is not just this particular third quarter which we are afraid of. No, just in general, we see that the economy is going to go through very difficult times in the near future. But guess what? Once the third quarter ends, immediately after that they're gonna start again revising their expectations, saying now we believe in the economy, the US financial stock market is so strong, we know that companies will be able to beat all our expectations, and then they will start increasing them once again. The cycle repeats itself. Because even the CEOs of the various same corporations which are being traded on the US stock market, even they do not say that, no guys, we're gonna have very bad quarter, be aware of this whenever you're gonna make investment decisions. No. These people have absolutely also no intention to lie. They cannot even say things like this because this will be considered as a stock market share price manipulation. You are the CEO of a company, you are an insider. It is as simple as that. So relatively what they are saying, it can be in some way considered as relative truth. So even these people, they do not lower the estimations for revenues, bottom, upper line, nothing like this. They say that they are going through a relatively good time right now, which you can see from this graph, which is also a perfect comparison because at the very same graph, you can see the estimations presented by the CEOs of corporations in comparison to the very same estimations by the Wall Street analysts. And as you can see, the CEO predictions, they go up, the predictions of the Wall Street, they go down. So eventually, once again, when the companies will be able to beat all these expectations, everyone is happy, Wall Street again fooled everyone, made everything correct, the Wall Street must be very smart, and, well, once again, everyone on Wall Street is using millions of dollars in their holiday bonuses to buy another yacht or things like this. Because, yes, here is once again another graph. As you can see, the corporate profits, they pretty much skyrocketed. Recently, they are going up right now. The US economy, even though during the environment of higher than usual interest rates, it still goes through a pretty good time. So, whenever you see the predictions of the Wall Street so-called experts, you should always, what I'm trying to summarize here, you should always take the Wall Street analysis, predictions, estimations, advices with the biggest grain of salt, like with the grain of salt this size. Because these people, they do manipulate the market. What a surprise, how would Wall Street ever do it? It's illegal, no, right? But, well, here you are. This is the easiest and the most obvious way how the Wall Street manipulates the US stock market. Now you know it, guys, too. And as always, thanks so much for watching. If this was interesting and informative for both, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you on Monday.